Methods of nodal analysis. In this nodal analysis, we will give a most preference to node voltage. Node is junction. Junction having input current and output current. Input current in the sense towards of current enter into that point. Output current in the sense leave from this node, which is called nodal analysis. This nodal analysis always depending the Ohm's law. Okay, Ohm's law having to say V equal to I into R. Okay, now we may calculate the current value from this Ohm's law. We just rearrange this equation I equal to V by R. Representing this Ohm's law, each and every node can have to expose. Here, one network is given to us to solve this problem. 6 resistors are there, R1 to R6. One current source is there. No node is V1 and V2. Okay, two nodes are there. Let us begin with node V1. Now we may consider from that given network what are the resistive element enter into the node and what are the elements leaving from this node. Here R1 plus R2 resistance enter into the V1 node. So we make this node V1 by R1 plus R2. Plus one more resistance leave from this V1 node. So we just put that R3 resistance across this V1 node. This R3 resistance in between of two nodes. So V1 minus V2 by R3. One current source enter into this node. So put plus polarity for that current source because this current source enter into that node, okay, not leave. So put plus sign across this equation. We can get node 1 equation. Then we move with node 2 V2 equation. Here R3 resistance enter into the node 2, but this another end is connected with node 1 V1. You just prefer V2 minus another point of V1 by R3 resistance. Here 3 resistance leaving from this V2 node. So V2 by that resistance R3 plus R6, again V2 by R4. There is no any current sources, so you just put 0 of that equate. Okay, we can get two equations, two nodal equations. That two nodal equation rearranging for our mathematical summation convenient. Just move it, common point to come out from that equations where we had been picked from the network. That's it.